This is the 3/4 size base I purchased for my 9913 to be a hand crank, and I will put the link to the seller on eBay that makes these. Now I have to say this particular one looks like it's made out of pine, very well made, a little bit rough. I mean, it's not finished and it's not stained, but he does say in his listing that you can either ask him to stain it for you or you can just use it this way. Now I had the Spartan in it, and I have to say, I don't know if it's because the wood is newer. He seems to use very dense, good wood, but the Spartan was very quiet. He's got nice button feet on the bottom. This is some kind of particle board bottom, and then hex bolts, hex driver bolts going into the sides, and then the hinges to place the machine on. Very nice little base, and it seems, when I had the Spartan in, it seems like a cute little cabinet, especially for the Spartan, which usually, when they were sold originally, comes with a plastic base. So, $45 plus shipping, well worth the money, simply because, like someone for me, I don't have the tools or the supplies to make one, and the machines fit in there nice. There's a little tab over here that would hold the machine in. If you don't have that tab on the machine bed, when you pick it up, this will flap down a little bit more than the old Bentwood cases, but overall really nice. This is the 3/4 size, and he also has this, the full bed length size for the vintage singers. And this is what a 99 looks like in it. This is my 9913 as a hand crank. And very nice. I like it. I can sand it a little more. I can paint it or stain it. Very nice base for this machine. Much better than keeping it on the table without a base.